I want to believe you are a lady watching this. Are the men gone or the boys? I want to talk to my girlies and my girlies alone. So, how to level up financially as a lady? I'm 26 right now, and when did I gain financial independence? I'm not yet financially free, I can tell you that, but I am financially independent. And I've been doing that since for over 6 years now, I think 19 or 20. But how did I actually start and how did I actually start my journey? Number one, remove that thinking from your head that making money is for boys only. I'm saying this because of I don't want to be naive to the fact that everybody everybody makes legit money, or all the ladies I know actually spend their money, because I'm surrounded by women that are hardworking, that 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 spend what they make. They are not they don't depend on any man to give them money before they can eat or before they can buy this or buy that or whatever. That is why I'm mentioning this point. Do not think that making money is for men only. Women also make money. Okay? I am a woman, I make my own money and I spend my own money. If you have somebody that is giving you money that is trying to develop your life, I'm not saying you should not indulge. I'm just saying that don't think that you have to be in a relationship before you can actually take care of yourself. Forget that thinking. Forget that thinking. Forget that thinking. I don't want to be naive to the fact that some people actually still live in that reality of living with their boyfriend or their husband before they can eat. Mm-mm. So stop thinking that making money is for boys. Everybody, you're an adult or becoming an adult. It is your responsibility to be responsible for yourself. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does make sense. You can make money by yourself. Okay, let me stop talking about that. Number two is start looking for what you are naturally good at. What you're naturally good at, what do you like to do? For me, I like to teach. That's what I'm naturally good at. I like so many things. I am multi talented. I know how to do many things, but I like some things more than other things, and that is what is actually making me money right now. I make money from business. I do business mostly, so I like business. I've liked or loved doing business since, but ultimately I love to learn. I love to learn and apply what I have learned to something, and then I like to teach what I have learned to someone. That is what I'm currently doing on this YouTube. That's what I'm doing on my WhatsApp. That is what. So, my point is just go and look for what you are good at and stay there. Find, try to break through from there, right? I don't know how else to explain this. You just have to. They are naturally good at something. Some people are naturally good at making jokes. Some people are naturally good at asking questions. Some people are naturally good at doing business. Some people are naturally good at solving one problem or another. What is that thing? What is that problem you can solve for people that they can pay you for? Whether in a 9 to 5 or freelance like me, just find something you're good at. I love to teach. I love to create content. I love to talk to my camera. Yes. And I love to make money. I love to sell something. I'm always selling something on another. If I'm not selling this today, I'm selling that tomorrow. I love to market. I love to put myself out there. That is what I like. And that is what I am doing. So what are you good at? What are you good at? What are you good at? Or what do you want to be good at? Okay. Now, this third point is going to be personal. Change your friends. Change your friends. Some of you, or some of us. Let me just say some of us. Some of us, it is our friend that is not letting us move forward. Yes, it is our friend. It is our friends of the company we keep. Do you know why I was saying naive, 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 naive? since morning is because I am surrounded by women that do things, that get things done. I'm surrounded by women that are ambitious, tech women, business women. My WhatsApp is business women, even people that I don't know, business women. So naturally, my mind will always we always be working in that direction of how to get better, how to get better, how to get better, how to get better, how to get close to this person, how to network with this person. Because with that, we talk about money, we'll talk about how to make progress in our relationship, or in our what am I saying? How to make progress in our business life or our career wise. We're just talking about career. Sure, you get. They are friends for many reasons or for many things. So yeah, they are friends that you gist with, right? They are friends that you talk money with. You talk about money, like that's what you talk about. And there are friends that you pray with. There are some, so they are friends for. But my point is, make sure that your friends, you people have the same goal. You cannot have friends with somebody that you cannot be friends with somebody that is always talking about mama, 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 mama. I'm not saying man is bad though, but you start thinking in that direction. You cannot be friends with somebody that does not believe that making money is for women, that believes that it's only man that can make money and it's only that man that can give me money to spend. If you are friends with somebody like that, all you people were talking about is how to get the next big man to take care of you, or to do this and that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with you desiring a relationship, or you get my point. My point is, surround yourself with friends that have the same goal as you. And your goal right now, because you're watching this video, is to gain financial independence. So if you are not friends with somebody that is moving in that line, you are wasting your time. You're wasting your time. Yes. So make new friends. You must not necessarily cut off your friends. You can limit your conversations with them, or tell them that, sis, this is what my mind is at right now. So if you are not talking about that, we are still friends, but so go and look for new friends. How do you find the new friends? Communities. Go and join, go to tech events, go to conferences, go to just channel, go there, you will see them there. So that's it. 4 is to live below your means. Some of us, no, some of you, it's not some of us this time. Some of you, the 100K that you made yesterday, you're going to spend it all today because you don't know how to live below your means. You might not actually know that you're living above your means until you look inwards, until you do some introspect. Or is that correct? Until you look inwards, basically, you cannot know that you're spending above your means or your income. So live below your income. Look at what you're overspending on. Do you actually need that bag? Do you need to get that bag right now? Is that the priority? You have some courses you need to take. Is that not what you're supposed to be spending on? Do you need to actually buy that bag right now when you have a 50K course you want to pay for? Right? So if you are saying you want to be financially independent soon, why are you not doing the things that will make you be financially independent soon? My hand is paining me. Let me switch this mic and sit down. Am I speaking to somebody? I believe that people that are watching this are really below my age. So I'm telling you the things that I did. See, it is not how much you make, it's how much you can keep. If you keep spending everything you are making, what do you want to reinvest back into yourself? How do you want to gain that independence? How do you want to invest? How do you want to grow that money when you are spending everything? That will take me to my next point. Go and learn how to invest. Learn how to invest. There's so many investment options. Me, I like tech so much, so I always like to talk about tech, online. But there's some things offline. Cool cash, buying commodities, buying gold, buying palm oil and keeping it. Right? Invest in someone else's business offline. If it is your parents' business that you can invest in and you trust them with money, invest in it and be getting dividends, be getting profits, small, that you can be using to Then you keep your capital. Go and learn how to invest. I know somebody that has money that will invest, right? But you have to learn you have to learn now so that when the money comes, you don't squander it. It is not when you, no knowledge is waste. Learn it now. When you need it, you will know. You will know when you need it. Now the last point is to pray. Pray to God whatever you believe in. I'm not specific about the God you are praying to now. My point is you should pray that God should connect you connect you to that opportunity that would give you financial independence. You know, you can be working, you know everything, you know how to do everything, but it's not still working out. Maybe what is missing is prayer. Pray to God that God, I want you to show me the way, show me what to do. God, please, I am tired of this. Can you please just pray to God, okay? And God is going to answer all of our prayers. If this is the kind of video you like to see, I think you should like and subscribe, right? And watch this next video that is on your screen. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.